Yan.
Spit.
There's a bill pending in the lower house against spitting in public.
Spit! Sir, ba napunta dyan?
Hindi talaga, for sanitation daw.
Sir,
We would like to become another Singapore, another Malaysia.
Spit!
Kapag daw nag-spit.
Sir, sayang po yung battery. Dali. Ayan.
Sir, will you miss us if we leave?
Hindi lang. Alam niyo naman.
Medyo lang daw. Eh?
Sir, why?
Laging ganyan yan eh.
Bakit, sir?
Nasanay ka na, sir.
Sir, di mo nahanap-hanap yung mga dating sir. Uy, makinig! Nanong!
I don't even remember them.
Tayo lang daw maalala ni sir. Tayo na daw talaga.
You won't remember us.
Bah!
Sir, you won't remember us.
Hindi naman.
Pero sir, sa lahat ng mga naging advice mo na section, sino yung pinakagusto mo? Alam naman namin kami, sir.
Yung Corinthian.
Bakit kayo umiiyak?
20 years time, ipakita ko yan.
Si Ella, walang pakialam. Umuya lang yan. Ayos na yan.
Siguro dahil di nakakanta to. Di nakakanta.
Sir, mamimiss mo kami. Totoo. Bakit hindi?
Hirap.
Bakit hindi?
Give me 101 reasons why to die. But I
Wait,
should.
susulat namin mamaya sa board, sir.
Bulon niyo yung board.
Ano na naman chords yan?
Tapos, ano ba?
Galing na, sir.
Sir, marunong ka naman eh. Ano kasing song yan?
Sasabay kami. Anong song yan? Galing!
Na na, breaking my heart again. Di ba yun yun? Ano, sir ah? Hindi ako.
Ano yun, sir? Ano yan? My turn. Tagalog song nga. Ay, joke, hindi. Oh! Ba't ginanda ni Sir yan?
Love you, with your smile so warm, and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, just the way you look tonight. With your smile, your tender lips my hands apart, and the light that reaches your nose, not just my this heart. Love me, and I never change. Keep the reference to. Won't you please arrange it 'cause I love